Hey everyone, I'm just gonna do one more little quick DIY for you all. But this one is just gonna be one. Pretty much, it's just gonna be this and then this stuck on, but because yeah, but I'm glad to just go with whatever I've got really for this one. As like I'm liking I like the green, the lime green, but it's the black. So I don't know whether to. Well, I might just get a bit of black spray paint and just lightly go over the edge bit of the here, but still leave the lime green at the top. I think it might look okay like that. Because I have tried to, because at first I was thinking, oh, this would look nice with it on top of there. But when you think about it, of how heavy they actually are, it could just break off, like so. And then I tried it with the plastic plastic wine glass or whatever you call them, with that, and then if you push down, look, it goes like that. And yeah, I didn't want to risk it, so the only thing I thought I could do is maybe just have it on here, but I think it still might look alright. Let me try it this way. See that? No, it just goes like that. So I'm just gonna glue it that way. Get the glue gun out and then glue it around like that. And then I'm gonna spray paint along the edge bit here. Yeah, so then, and then maybe I might get the gems out and put the odd like few gems around it. So yeah, I'll see what we'll see what happens. So bye for now. Hey guys, I've finished. So I've gone round with the black around it. I've glued it on. I didn't think the green and the black would go together, but it actually has. So I've put the gems around, like so. It looks quite nice actually. So yeah, so if you want to see any more things like this, then can you turn on notifications, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment below if there's anything you would like me to do, or what you thought about it, and can you share to make this go viral, please? And I shall see you next time. So bye.